Hello, welcome everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your iOS screen, iOS 14, which is the latest version. So I'm going to show you how can you customize the iOS screen with the Widgetsmith. So let's get start the video guys without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to download the Widgetsmith application on your iPhone. It's in a free app, you can download it from Play Store, App Store, sorry. Now let me download the application. Sorry, I have already installed the application, as you can see. So now just we need to customize the iOS screen with the widgets. So now open the Widgetsmith application guys. Now guys, there is three type of widgets: small, medium and large. So first of all let me add the widget. So this is how you can add the widget on your home screen. Now let me add it. Now guys, choose the wallpaper and just save it. Now guys, let me add the widget on home screen. Just hold on the home screen guys, then tap on the plus icon. Now guys, just go to the Widgetsmith and select the widget which you want to add. So I'm going to select the small one. So here you go, as you can see guys. Now let me select the another one. So guys, here is it, as you can see. So guys, this is how you can add the widget on your home screen with the Widgetsmith. So guys, now let me select the medium one. So guys, here is the medium. So guys, if you like this video, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next video.